everyone. Tonight I'll be making cranberry chicken. What all goes into the cranberry chicken? 8-ounce bottle of Catalina salad dressing. This is 16 ounces, so I'll be only using half. 1 packet of dry onion soup mix. 15-ounce can whole berry cranberry sauce. This is only a 14-ounce can. I had a hard time finding the whole berries anyway. 1/4 teaspoon red pepper flakes, and this is optional. 3 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and salt and pepper. So let's begin. Preheat the oven to 350. Take a 9 by 13 pan and spray it with cooking spray. Take a medium bowl, dump in your 8 ounces of Catalina salad dressing, your 1 packet of onion soup mix, 15-ounce can of whole cranberry sauce, and this is only 14 ounces. And if you're using the red pepper flakes, add the 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes and mix well. All right, that looks pretty good. Take your prepared pan and dump your cranberry mixture in the bottom of the pan. Take your chicken and season it with salt and pepper on both sides, and then put it in the sauce. And you want to put it in a single layer, so I may not be able to use all of these, so I'm not going to season all of them right now. Just a few at a time. All right, so I put them all in single file. I did manage to get 8 in there. I squished them in just a little bit, but they should be fine. Put your cranberry chicken in a preheated 350-degree oven for 1 hour or until the internal temperature hits 165. So here is the cranberry chicken sitting on top of mashed potatoes with the sauce on the chicken and the potatoes. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Looks like chicken.
It is cranberry chicken.
Cranberry chicken, okay. Was this a thigh?
Yep, boneless, skinless chicken thighs
Okay.
over mashed potatoes.
Just a hint of sweetness, I'd say. It's very good.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.